SoftMoonBotanicals sent me over some of her hydrating body oils. She is a small business and I cannot wait to check her out. So let's open up the package and see what it's given. So this is what it's looking like. She sent over a little thank you card. There's her information, and I will take her below so you guys can check out her shop. She is on TikTok shop too. Some cute little stickers. And then she also wrapped these, which I love because in case if there was any fault and it may have leaked, it wouldn't have gotten on anything else. So she sent over oatmeal cookie dough and watermelon. And right away, they smell so good. She claims that it is lightweight, non-greasy, leaves your skin soft, nourishing, and glowy. So let's see. And she is full. Let's try her out. So I'm just gonna kind of put it all over my arm and rub it in. I'm trying to think of what kind of watermelon it's giving, like a watermelon bubble gum. And this is feeling so good on the skin. And she sure is glowy. So I'm gonna put this all over my body. I am gonna come back, right now it is 12:50. I'm gonna come back at, say, around 3. And then I'm gonna come back around 6 o'clock and I will give you guys an update on how my skin's feeling, if it's still soft, is it still glowy. And then I definitely want to put this on after I get out of the shower and see how it lasts throughout the night, see if I'm still smelling good in the morning. So it is about 3 o'clock. I am taking a little walk and I could definitely tell out in the sun that my skin is still glowing. It's kind of hard because now we're going behind a cloud, but I am still glowing. I am very hydrated. I can definitely tell I'm gonna love to mix this with a lotion because it's just gonna give that extra hydration to your skin. I will check back in at 6 and see how it's still going. But yeah, so far I'm loving this and I cannot wait to try more of her products. So it is 6 o'clock. I am still very hydrated and still very glowy. I fell in love with these products. I'm definitely going to be purchasing some more from her. If you haven't checked her out, go check her out. I'm going to take her below. She's a small business. Go support any of your small businesses. And I can promise you, you're going to love these products.